Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be yet another unboxing, I'm afraid, but it's probably the last one for a while, I promise. Recently you may have seen it was Amazon Prime Day, and as a quite loyal member of Amazon Prime, I've had it for at least 3-4 years now, I believe. I wanted to take full advantage of Amazon Prime Day while I could. I've been thinking of getting this piece of equipment for a while. If you probably can see by the title and the thumbnail, you probably know what it is by now, but I won't say just yet, so in case you don't quite know what it is, you'll find out in a minute. But it's always been quite expensive, and I was like, I don't really need it, so I'm going to keep putting it off. And obviously, of course, Amazon Prime Day came around. There's a very nice discount on this item, and I had some money left over from my Patreon account. So thank you so much to my patrons for this, because it's you guys have brought me this. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it. So I've got the window wide open, so if you hear like seagulls and stuff, I'm so sorry, but it's too hot to do it without the window big open, so just try to ignore background noise. Just in case you guys don't know what it is by now, despite the fact it's in the thumbnail and probably in the title as well, I'm gonna reveal to you right now what I actually got. So what I got is the Blue Yeti microphone. Now I've heard a lot of really good things about this, so I thought I'd give it a go. I do have a gaming channel, which I very rarely use at the moment, but I am planning on doing more videos on, and I thought this would be the best microphone to use for it. I'll get it out of its plastic packaging. Right, so this is the packaging the Blue Yeti microphone comes in. It's got some cute little Yetis on the back as well. And it's also got all the controls and almost instructions to how to use it on the side here. You have 4 different settings of audio on this as well, you can see by the bottom there. I have a recording stereo, cardioid, which I've never heard of before, omnidirectional or bidirectional. So you have all these 4 different options you can use for doing filming as well. And they've even got what you can use each type of setting for as well. So that is quite a cool little selection you've got there. So another thing I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to try and do an audio test as well, just to test out how good this microphone really is. I know it's a good microphone, I've heard it in other people's videos before, but one, I want to make sure this one definitely works, so I'm going to send this one back, it's not faulty. And 2 is I want to see how good it really is, because obviously I'm planning on using this mostly for live streams on my gaming channel, so I want to make sure it definitely works. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the box, show you guys what's inside. I got the one in silver, so I think it's one of the most popular colours, but it does come in other colours as well. I just preferred silver personally as well, so I got the silver. And I think the silver is also the only one that's actually on offer at the time anyway. And I'm also going to show you guys what's inside the box and what comes with it as well. So let's begin. First off, as you can see in the box right here is a USB cable. Now this is actually to plug your microphone into computer. At first I thought it was to do with charging up in some way, but it looks to me like it doesn't actually need to be charged up. Just plug it into the computer, starts working straight away. I've had so many things which come to me, so I didn't realise I have to charge up until later on. So it's really good to know I can just use it straight away. I don't want to charge it up or anything. We've also got a thing to register it with. I'm guessing this is obviously a user guide inside. Let's double check. Yeah, it tells you how to use the microphone. I'll read that. I'll read all that in a minute. Take this bit on top off. Right, and here it is. Here is the Blue Yeti microphone. It's actually absolutely beautiful. Like, I can't get over how beautiful that is. Like, I mean, I've seen them before and admired them in the past on people's videos, but it generally is an absolutely beautiful item. I'm not even going to lie, and I can't believe I finally have one of my own. But anyway, let's get this one out. Oh, okay. So this is how it comes out. It actually comes out like that. It actually seems to stay still and it's like that. Well, obviously it's not how it's meant to stand. It's meant to stand up like this. I think tighten up here. Yeah, you tighten up here. Okay, it's all right. I started thinking, oh God, how do you tighten it up to keep it up? To keep it upright, we do that. So there's little things at the side here. You use these to tighten it up to keep it still. It comes with a little stand as well, which is quite cute. I do really like that. And at the side here we have some buttons. Now I'm going to read the user manual later on to find out exactly what these are, but gain is obviously will make it either louder or quieter when you're talking, and a pattern is changing from omnidirectional to stereo to bidirectional, and then there's that cardio one I've never heard of before, and it's very easy to switch. Obviously all you do when you're talking into it, you just switch to whatever one you want to use. I guess you probably could switch while recording as well. Here is the front of the Yeti as well. We've got a nice little mute button here, which quickly pressed out. So if you need to pop off and do something like maybe go to loo, don't be able to hear you during your stream, you just press the mute button and then you're all good to go. And of course you have volume button as well, which obviously is self-explanatory. So that's what's inside it. All I'm going to do now is I'm gathering you cannot use the Blue Yeti with this camera I'm using now, but you have to use it with a computer. I've put it through a program, the computer, then put it onto like or Audacity or something like that and put it onto your video afterwards, which seems like a lot of bother, but it looks like it's going to be perfect for live streaming, so I might just use it for that. But I'll probably do the audio test on another day rather than today personally, because I'll need to work out how to use it first as well, and I've still got a few more days until it's going to be up anyway, so it's fine. Anyways, that's it. That's the end of the unboxing part of the video. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the audio test. Okay, so this little clip is the audio test for the microphone. Now, I know I'm dressed like Mrs. Claus today. I know I'm more of a Christmassy outfit I'm wearing at the moment, but it's actually hottest day of the year in the UK, and this is literally the only summer dress I own. So if there's any clothing companies out there watching this, I don't know why I would be, but if you are and you'd like looking for someone to model some new summer dresses, hit me up, because I really desperately need some new summer dresses. That would be very much appreciated. But anyway, back to the actual test now. We can hear the audio perfectly clear, but I want to do like a quick test of the different types of audio setups they have as well. I'm wearing headphones so I can hear what you guys can hear, so hopefully it's not too loud for you. I hope. I'm sorry if it is. It's actually a headphone port in this microphone as well, as I forgot to mention yesterday in the clip when I was filming it. I'm going to go through quickly the different audio patterns that there is as well, so you guys can like hear what it sounds like. I've currently got it on the cardioid one. I still don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just going to call it cardioid. That's the one it's currently on, but I'm going to switch to stereo. I'm also going to switch to bidirectional and omnidirectional as well, so you guys can hear what it sounds like. But I won't be using those most of the time, because those ones are more for like interviews and stuff like that, which I don't do very often on my channel. So I don't really need to do any other ones apart from what I'm on right now, but I'm still going to test them out for you guys anyway. So first off, I'm going to quickly change the volume and the gain so you guys hear what that sounds like. Then I go on to proper audio patterns after that. Just a warning now, please turn down your headphones because this bit's going to get quite loud. But it looks like as I turn the gain up, you can pick up so much more around me. I've got a window open again, so you can hear a lot of stuff going on outside as well, because it's like 33 degrees here at the moment, so it's ridiculous. I have to have a window open again. So yeah, that's the gain turned up. I'm turning it down now, so it's way too loud. So here's the volume turned up. It doesn't really pick up much else, it just makes it much louder. I'm just going to change the stereo quickly, if it will let me do it while recording, that is. It's very, very stiff, this switch for the audio. Everything else is fine. I just really struggle with this particular switch for the audio, so give me a second. Right, okay, I got it. It's now on. I used a scrunchie because my hands are so sweaty I couldn't actually physically twist it around, but I've done it now. It's now on the stereo option. I don't know if it sounds any different. I may have shown you guys yesterday, but it does have text say what each audio bit is for, and I think the stereo is another one you can use for YouTube if you so wish. But I think it picks up stuff behind and also in front as well, but nothing at the side, I believe. Hello? Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so I was being really lazy and didn't get a bit of paper. I've got it with me now. So what this one is I believe one I've just switched to is, we'll just double check. Booklet tells you what each bit is for. So it tells you what each bit specifically is meant to be for. So I'll show you that to you now. So that's pretty useful. Anyway, the one I'm on now is omnidirectional, which is more meant for things like conference calls, field recordings and events and orchestras. Not that you'd ever take this to like London in like your suitcase or that to go to a concert, anyway. So that's what this one's meant for. The sound source direction looks like it comes from the side, the front. There, it looks like it comes from all around the room. So literally, if there was someone on the other side of his microphone or someone like wherever there, for example, it still would pick them up. So this is the one I'm on right now, the omnidirectional one, the circle one here. As you can see, the sound source picks up everything all the way around, as you can see there, and it shows you what this one's more meant for as well, like I just said. I'm going to go on to bidirectional next, and bidirectional is what you'd use for interviews, instruments and vocal duets. And as you can see here, it will only pick up literally my voice in front and the voice at the back, so it won't pick up anything at the sides at all. So I'm going to switch to that one now. As you can see, I can already hear actually, as I can already hear it already, the difference. It's like suddenly gone really quiet, and like I could only hear literally my voice. So this is definitely a good one to use for interviews and that, because I think it picks up sound back here. I do that, you can hear that. You can't, not meant to be able to hear sound coming from the sides at all, but you can hear sound coming directly from the back and directly from the front, like I'm talking to you guys right now. I'm going to go back to cardioid. Cardioid is the one that you are meant to use for most of the time, because cardioid, I didn't say before, so I was too lazy to get the booklet out, but cardioid is meant for podcasts and voiceovers, vocals, instruments, and in the book it actually says this is one you'd use most of the time. And if you look at the picture of cardioid as well, it only picks up from one source of the room. So for example, you have to be sitting right in front of a microphone to actually be able to pick up the sound. But if you use stereo, and stereo is more meant for vocals, ensemble, choir and instruments, and again that comes from different directions, stereo, but cardioid's more meant for when you're talking into a microphone like I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm back on cardioid now. As you can see, again, there's already a massive difference in the audio. Sorry, my phone went off. I'll answer that later. So that's the end of the audio test now. I hope you guys all found it interesting, found out a little bit more about the microphone and what it sounds like in different situations. And I'm going to go back to me yesterday to finish the video. Bye. But anyway, now you guys have seen your audio test and hopefully it's gone well. Hopefully. But anyway, I hope you guys have all enjoyed the video, and I want to say thank you to all my patrons who helped me get this product in the first place. It's so appreciated. And also thank you so much to those who've nearly got me to 1.8k subscribers already. I cannot believe it. It's amazing to me. If you'd like to help me get to 1.8k and you enjoy my content, please don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as like and comment, and also press the bell button down below as well to be notified whenever I upload. I hope you guys all have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.